Hello everyone, today I got a new toy from DigiBirds. There are many types of DigiBirds and I got the lovebird. There is hummingbird, kingfisher, peacock. Let's see what's inside this instruction manual. How to play with your bird. Pat your bird once. It will tweet and chirp. Pat your bird 6 times. It will sing a song. Let's try it out. The next instruction is you have to talk to it closely. Then it will talk. The next instruction is if you tap on the table, it will talk to you or sing a song. The next instruction is if you hold it like this, it will be sad. The next fact about this bird is that it has 50 tunes. Let's try few of them. Hello? How are you? Can you sing a song? Can you sing a song? It's talking to me. Can you guess what is it? I don't know this song. Do you know this song? I know this song. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile. I forgot. Do you know this song? I don't know this song. Let's go to the next song. Tune. Head, toes, the body parts. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head, shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. I know this song. Wait. Let me spend some time talking to it. Hello? I know this tune, but I don't know this rhyme. I don't know how to sing this. That was fun talking to it. I will name it Thomas. I wish to collect few birds from DigiBirds.